Hey guys, look at what I done went and brought home. Dirty John. Man, this thing is so fun to drive. Yeah, it looks like Dirty John's ready to come out and play. So this video is going to be a little different than my normal video. We're not going to be building anything in this video. We're going to be showing off some of the stuff I've been building over the years. So y'all be sure to stick with me on this, because hey, like I said, if we're going to have Rat Rod Jr. and Ma B up here, I mean, they need to survive too. I need all the revenue I can get. So, man, I appreciate it if you like. I hardly ever ask you guys to do that. Like, subscribe, share. I don't hardly ever ask you guys to do that, but now it's just more than just me involved in it. So when you share a video, it's just hitting the button. I mean, if you got a Facebook account or a YouTube account, you hit that share button, it lets you share it to that. And man, that right there works magic when you share, because you share it with somebody, and then they share it with somebody, and they share it with somebody. It could be a balloon effect. I could get a lot of views just by one person sharing. So the more people shares, the better it's gonna be for me. And the better it's gonna be for you, because I can put up better, more content. It's a win-win situation. So like, subscribe, and share. Hey, I'm trying to get to 100,000. I mean, years ago, I wasn't even worried about 100,000, but I'm getting so close now, I said, man, I need to get one of them YouTube plaques put on the wall behind me with 100,000 subscribers. So yeah, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Appreciate it. So now that we're done playing with Dirty John in the dirt, we can bring it in the shop, get it cleaned up, get it ready for the car show. So Dirty John has been at Wesley's for what, like 2 years now, I think? Long time. Anyway, I should have been going over there once a month or whatever, cleaning it, keeping it clean. I can't expect Wesley to do that. I mean, he's going beyond the call just to store the thing for me over there. But now, I want to bring it to a car show. I need to clean it up. It's going to still look dirty, but actually it ain't going to be dirty. It's just going to look dirty. And that's why we named it. Matter of fact, Wesley's the one to come up with the name, Dirty John. Yeah, Rat Rod Jr. showed up. He's going to help me clean stuff up and get it ready for the show. Dirty John needs a major cleaning, so yeah, we're working on that. I'm gonna play some of my fine rock and roll hot rod music while we're doing this cleaning. It's either you listen to the good rock and roll music, or you listen to the fan in the background, and that sucker makes a lot of noise. So believe me, you'd rather listen to the music than listen to the background noise. So there's that. So Rat Rod Jr. brought with him Ma B. We're gonna put her on the camera. She got a good steady hand running the camera. We're gonna let her run the camera. Just about this whole video, most of the camera work you see is all her, so y'all be sure to leave a comment. Let her know how she done. Also, we'll get ready to go to the car show. We're gonna train her and let her drive Dirty John to the car show. Man, she's gonna hate me for having to drive 20 miles there and 20 miles back in Dirty John. She ain't gonna like it, but hey, she'll be all right. Since I got some help to clean this stuff up, I appreciate all the help I can get. Anyway, we're gonna drag the mini chopper out and clean it up, throw it back at a junkyard dog, and carry it to the show with us. On my property, I got a bluff that goes down really low. It's wooded. I don't cut grass there. I used to, but I don't anymore. It's growed up, but I got a trail cut through it. You gotta go down the hill and through the trail up, back up. Rat Rod Jr. is gonna take Ma B round to show her the trail, so that's what's about to happen.
Okay, this is gator bait Rat Rod Bob talks about all the time.
So I'm gonna put the baffles back in Dirty John. We had open headers, and that's great if you're just going down the road, a mile or two down the road back. I mean, you love it with open headers, but we're gonna put the baffles back in so it quiet it down because she got 20 miles there, 20 miles back. She don't need open headers in her ear all the way there and back. So yeah, it's gonna quiet it down a little bit. It's still gonna be loud. It's still gonna sound great, matter of fact, but it's gonna be a lot quieter with the baffles, so.
Wrenches turn in the midnight glow, chopping frames to make them low. Metal sparks fly like fireflies, sweet rides born under starry skies. Rust to chrome, dreams unfold in this garage. We strike gold, we're the garage kings, the rulers of steel. Hot rods, rat rods, rolling on real V8 rumble, the ground does dance. Best you've seen at every glance. Friends roll in, the school bell's near, but they just come to stand and cheer. Slick paint jobs and a drag race stance, even teachers stop to steal a glance. White walls spinning, engines scream, gasoline's the blood of this dream. In the rear view the world goes small, we build fast, we build to brawl. We're the garage kings, the rulers of steel. Hot rods, rat rods, rolling on real V8 rumble, the ground does dance. Best you've seen at every glance. We're the garage kings, the rulers of steel. Hot rods, rat rods, rolling on real V8 rumble, the ground does dance. Best you've seen at every glance.
Get her done. So Rat Rod Jr. Rat Rod Jr. is trying to learn how to do burnouts on the gravel with the mini chopper. He's getting better at it. My name is Rat Rod Bob, and we going to the car show. I'm gonna be driving the 34. Rat Rod Jr. gonna be driving a Junkyard Dog. Tuned up, ready to go. Ma B gonna be driving Dirty John. So y'all come ride with us. Let's go see what's happening at the car show.
Dust on the road, sunlight's gold on my skin. Wind in my hair, don't care where I've been. Freedom hums loud through the cracks in my grin. Rolling highways, wide open skies. Feel the fire, feel it rise. Heartbeats pounding, drums of life. Rolling highways, rolling high. Rivers bending, trees swaying time. Echoes of laughter, whiskey like wine. Every mile's a memory carved in the pines. Rolling highways, wide open skies. Feel the fire, feel it rise. Heartbeats pounding, drums of life. Rolling highways, rolling high. Shout it out to the stars tonight. Wheels keep spinning, feel so right. Born to run, born to fly. Rolling highways, wide open skies. Feel the fire, feel it rise. Heartbeats pounding, drums of life. Rolling highways, rolling high.
Top 2 rat rods, I won both of them.
I know it.
The C10 won, buddy.
Told you.
I told him the only reason it was because they had the mini chopper back.
Told you. Junkyard don't be talking about it.
Hey, I think this might work.
Hammer down, amen. Let it roar from the shop floor songs to the 2-lane door. I'm getting it, just ain't got it yet. But the gauge reads.
So, when we got to this car show, I registered the Junkyard Dog as a rat rod. And I registered Dirty John as a rat rod. I registered the 34. They didn't have a hot rod category. That's why I would have put it on, but they didn't have that. So car, I registered it under car category. And we had the mini chopper in the back of the Junkyard Dog. We just left it in. I didn't even unload it. I didn't register the mini chopper as a bike. I just left it in the back of the Junkyard Dog. When they started calling out winners, lo and behold, we won all 3. All of them won. The person said, top 2 rat rods. And they called the number and said, Rat Rod Bob, because I put my name on the car too. And I went up there and I thought I just won one of them. I got up there and he had 2 plaques. He said, top 2 rat rods. I said, what? Top 2? I won both top 2 rat rods? He said, yeah, you won both of them. I said, cool. So we got those. A few minutes later, they called another number, Rat Rod Bob. I said, what? And that one was for Bullet. I got top 15 car with Bullet too. So we brought 3 to the show and all 3 of them hit. And we got a plaque for all 3 of them. So, hey, it was a good day here at the little shop where dreams come true. We had a good time and yeah, people love the cars. Well, you see the videos I put up, people looking at the cars, they like them a lot. So when we got to the car show, we got the cars registered. They give me a bucket, a big 5-gallon bucket full of stuff. Talk about cleaning stuff, wax, tire shine, all kind of stuff. Paper towels. The guy said, I spent $100 worth of stuff in that bucket. I said, cool. I almost paid that to register anyway. Anyway, I got that. And after the show was over with, and I won 2 top rat rods, both the rat rods won. And then I won with Bullet too. All 3 of my stuff, all 3 of my cars won. I told the guy, I said, what? You mean I brought 3 and all 3 of them won? He said, yeah, all 3 of them. I said, man, I might give you a bucket of stuff back. He laughed. And they had a bunch of other people around, you know, watching because they was calling names. And everybody laughed when I said that. Might give you a bucket of stuff back. But I kept it. I didn't give it to him. So my monster truck buddy, Michael Viters, y'all know him. Most of you know him anyway. He got the Falcon Stein now. Got the Falcon. We'll put the blower motor in. Anyway, he's got that. To start, I got my very first rat rod, Rat Recon. He owns it now. And Black Cherry, the 47 Ford truck. And Demon Falcon, which is now named Falcon Stein with the blower motor in it. Anyway, he's at a show up at Hagerstown, Maryland with those. And we've been kind of talking back and forth, you know. He said, you got 6 rat rods at a show this weekend. You got these, my 3, you got your 3. So I said, yeah, that's a good, that is interesting. I got 6 of them. And Charlotte, Scott, the owner of Charlotte, I don't know if he's at a show or not, but I got 6 of them at a show this weekend, just so you know. Got it going on. I'm getting it, I just ain't got it yet. Appreciate you. See you next time. My name is Rat Rod Bob, and I build stuff.
Got a busted knuckle, but I don't care. Crank that socket, smell that air. Motor oil and a rebel tune. I ain't slowing down anytime soon. Too much life left in these veins. Runs like fire through them chains. When the clutch grabs, my soul takes flight. That's my medicine every night. Call it gasoline therapy. Burning off what's left of me. V8 thunder keeps me sane. I breathe smoke instead of pain. Ain't no doctor gonna fix these scars, but chrome and rhythm get me far. Yeah, this shop light's my remedy. Call it gasoline therapy. Turn it up, let that rat rod scream.